In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to resend a DocuSign document quickly and easily. If you've ever sent an envelope and your recipient says they didn't receive it, lost the email, or simply forgot to sign, don't worry. DocuSign makes it very simple to resend a document in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along with confidence. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're inside your DocuSign dashboard, you'll land on the home screen where you can see your recent activity and documents. From here, the first thing you need to do is click on Agreements. This is where all of your documents and envelopes are organized. Agreements is essentially the main hub where you can track documents that are waiting for signatures, completed, declined, or already sent. After you click on Agreements, look for the Envelopes section. Go ahead and click on Envelopes. This will open up a detailed view of all the envelopes associated with your account. Next, you'll want to filter the list so you can find the document you previously sent. To do that, click on Sent. The Sent tab shows all envelopes that have already been delivered to recipients but may still be waiting for signatures. Once you're in the Sent section, scroll through the list and locate the specific document that you want to resend. When you find the correct document, click directly on it to open the envelope details page. Now you'll see more information about that envelope, including the recipient's status and activity history. On this page, look towards the right side of the screen for the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to that envelope. From this list, click on Resend. As soon as you select Resend, DocuSign will immediately resend the notification email to all recipients who have not yet completed their signing action. That's it. The recipient will receive a fresh email notification with the link to review and sign the document. You don't need to recreate the envelope or upload the document again. The Resend feature simply triggers another email reminder for the same envelope. If needed, you can also add a personal message before resending in some cases, which can help remind the signer why the document is important or urgent. This is especially useful if the document has been pending for several days. And just like that, you've successfully resent a DocuSign document. The process is quick, straightforward, and only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If your recipient still doesn't see the email after you resend it, ask them to check their spam or junk folder. You can also confirm that the email address entered in the envelope is correct by reviewing the recipient details in the envelope settings. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you understand exactly how to resend a DocuSign document. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials on DocuSign and other business tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.